मरीना प्रोजेक्ट म्हणटा तो नाकाम. तेन्ना आतां CMा कडेन डिस्कशन जाल्या उपरांत सेकेंडार हियरींग दवरलेलें. तेन्ना ते हियरींग फुडें व्हरपाक लोकांचो प्रयत्न केलो. मॅडम अलिनानूय सांगलें आमी CZMP प्लॅन जाल्या नंतर हें करीत जाल्यार बरें जातलें म्हणून. तेन्ना CMान म्हटलां की आपूण कलेक्टरा कडेन उलयता, कलेक्टर डिसिजन घेता आनी आमकां फाल्यां परत उलयता.
They were first saying that we cannot postpone the public hearing based on some technical grounds since it has been called off by Environment Minister and all. But we have insisted and we have requested that the public hearing has to be cancelled because we don't want public hearing as well as the project in the state because of the environmental destruction and violation of all the rules. There were a lot of illegalities which we have pointed out, including not having the CZMP plan in place first and then having this particular type of say public hearing.
The state government nor any other authority can violate the CZMP because CZMP will be, it's a document, okay? It's a document of law which tells us which areas are to be protected, on which areas you can do certain things, which areas allow, which areas don't allow. So once that is completed by the state, then maybe we can discuss about projects. And the Honorable Chief Minister has agreed. He has said that he's going to discuss this request from the people with the Pollution Control Board and the collector, and then he'll come back to us.
The whole panchayat, everybody is against it. A lot of people are against it. So I feel he should take a decision, and I'm expecting a good decision from him as far as the EIA is concerned. Now everybody is opposed to it. There is no question. People will oppose it to 10 days.
अगर सपोज आयकना जाल्यार
कोणाक
लोकांक आयकना आनी डिसिजन घेतले मरीना जावपा जाय म्हणून जाल्यार वॉट
एज पर जायत डिसिजन जालो हांवें आनी ती कोण डिसिजन गेलो आनी ती मारक पडल्या म्हाका दिसना तो घेता.
फातर बेकार आनी आमी आतांच आमच्या MLA सांतागुरच्या आमचे एसोसिएशना थ्रू ताका मेमोरेंड दिला कितें आमकां नावशें मारिना नाका कित्याक हें नावशेंच न्हू आख्ख्या गोंयाकूच हेजो इफेक्ट जाता. ताका लागून आमी आयज आमच्या MLA सांगलें आमकां फिशरमॅनाक आमच्या घेवन या तेन्ना आमी येयले आनी म्हाका दिसता आमचे MLA CMाक मेळून हेजेर सोल्युशन घेवन बंद करपाक आमकां फूल सपोर्ट करतलो.